what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm finally going to be sharing with you my official room tour. This video has been requested so much and I'm finally doing it today. So this room is not only my bedroom, but it's also where I film all of my videos and basically get work done. So you will be seeing like different areas that I've decorated for like filming. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. I also want to give out a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications by clicking on the bell icon and leave me a comment down below with the hashtag notification squad to be featured in my next video. By the way, I just uploaded a new video over on my second channel, so in case you haven't seen that video, there will be a link for it down below. With that all being said, let's get started with the room tour. Okay guys, so I just walked into my room. This is the door that I came in from, and then this is the door to my bathroom. If I turn around, this is what you see. At the left is the door to my closet, and if I walk a bit ahead, you can basically see my entire room. So here is a quick overview. This is my desk area, and recently I have been filming all of my intros over here. There is usually a teddy bear right over there, but that's actually a temporary thing. I only put the teddy bear when I'm filming my intros. Normally this area is always empty. And yeah, this is the area where I edit my videos as well, which is why I have my laptop right over there. If I move closer to my desk area, you will see this fake plant that I got from IKEA. The planter, I believe, is from Urban Outfitters. I have this Bath & Body Works candle and this unicorn mug that I got for my birthday last year. And it's just chilling over these two books. This planter I made in a DIY video, and then I have this, which I don't know what you call it, I can't remember, but I just have like all of my washi tapes in there. And again, I just have some more decor stuff. This plush actually reminded me of Oscar, which is why I ended up getting this. It's so cute. And then I also have this sign that says, "Do not give up." This wall grid is from Urban Outfitters, and it's actually sitting on my desk. As you can see, I know this area is empty and I should probably put something there. I will do that one day. At the very corner of my desk is this wooden organizer that I got from IKEA. This thing is amazing, and in this I basically store all of my DIYs. So this is like our DIY drawer. At the top I keep this Mary plush, a mini Instax 9. I got this for my birthday and I love the color of it. There's like a little theme going on, as you can tell. And then I have this ice cream cone lamp. I'm not going to show you guys each and every single item, or else this video is going to be very long, but I am going to show you guys very quickly what's inside. In this first drawer I have my charms. This one has my DIY lip balms inside. This one has my phone cases. In here I have my DIY notebooks. I absolutely loved this one that I made. And yeah, I just have my notebooks in here. I also really love this one. More phone cases, and then this bubble tea sharpener. And finally, in the last drawer, I have this squishy notebook that I made and this igloo. I'm going to open up the drawers of my desk and show you what I have. Notepads are here, notebooks. This one says it's strawberry scented, but in reality, it does not smell like anything at all. Mini highlighters, a mini stamp pad, more highlighters, whiteout. In this, I keep my, sticky notes. I keep my sticky notes in here. And then in this one, I have more sticky notes, hand sanitizer, washi tape, page flags, my journals, stickers, and then in here I have newer stuff. These pizza erasers, these are so cute. Pencils, and yeah, just random things that I recently bought. That is basically what I have on my desk. And if we move forward, I have my shelf that I got from IKEA. Well, actually most of my furniture is from IKEA. At the top, I have my plushes, and if I move closer, you will see my Harry Potter book collection, Harry Potter Funko Pops that I have, this cat that I have chilling in a mug, and then this unicorn light. In the second shelf, I have a little bit of a princess theme going on. As you can see, I keep my princess Funko Pops, and at the back is like a set of classic books. And if I move even lower, you can actually see my reflection over there. So we have this 100,000 subscriber YouTube plate. I still remember the day that I hit 100,000 subscribers. It was like one of the best days of my life, and it's all thanks to you guys, so thank you so much. These are some more DIYs I made. A Tinkerbell Funko Pop that is on top of a candle. This cactus lamp I got from ASOS. In this shelf, I keep my Disney plushes. I am absolutely obsessed with everything Disney. And if I move lower, I keep my Copic markers in there, more markers, colored pencils. Princess Peach is right over here. These are my Disney Tsum Tsum lip balms, a container that I made in a video. And then this is my 100,000 subscriber YouTube plate for my second channel. And in the last shelf, I have a basket filled with white glue and a basket filled with clear glue. You guys know that I love making slime, so I like to stock up on glue. Next to my desk is my bed, and I'm going to actually come onto the other side so you can get a better view. So the bedding is from Urban Outfitters. This blanket is also from Urban. I have these 3 plushes on top of my bed, and the bed frame is also from IKEA, and it actually has 4 drawers underneath, but I'm not going to show you what's inside, or else this video is going to be forever and a half long, and it's already kind of getting long. But if you want to know what's inside, I mainly just have clothes in there. On top of my nightstand, I hung up this light that I got from Urban Outfitters. And then on my nightstand, I have this random box, this bare lamp, and then some body lotion. I hate the smell of this body lotion, by the way. It's so strong. This trinket dish on which I put my jewelry on at like nighttime if I'm wearing any. And then my journal. In my nightstand, I know this is going to be a bit random, but I store my handmade squishies here. This toaster squishy that I made. And what else do we have in here? This watermelon one. And actually underneath, I keep my old laptop. And yeah, I just have my squishies here. And this is a plush from my childhood. I was actually talking about this in my last room tour as well. In the second drawer, I store my camera equipment. This is all very boring stuff in my opinion. Right in front of my bed is my vanity area and basically where I get ready in the mornings. I completely forgot, but I do have a carpet under my bed. For my vanity, the mirror is from IKEA. This table is also from IKEA. The faux fur stool is from RH Teen. And you guys, this color is so pretty. And I just love this thing because it's so soft and so fluffy. And then on top of my vanity, I keep my everyday essentials, lip balm, perfume, my foundation, some jewelry. On the other side, I keep my flat iron, makeup brushes, this puppy planter that I got from Urban Outfitters. This is so cute, you guys. I absolutely love it, and I have a fake plant in there. In this drawer, I store my everyday makeup. I don't really like wearing makeup, nor do I like buying it. I think I've told you guys this a million times already. Next to my vanity on the floor, I keep this basket filled with nail polishes inside. This isn't my entire collection, but I like to have this with colors that I wear more often. My clothing rack does keep changing with whatever I'm feeling that week, but this is what it looks like right now. I also hung up some rainbow fairy lights that I got from Cotton On, and these look so awesome at nighttime, you guys. And then at the side of my clothing rack, I keep my crossbody handbags. At the bottom of the clothing rack, I put this faux fur rug piece that I got from IKEA. This is a Lush gift set, a sheep squishy, that's my favorite, some unicorn slippers. I believe I was wearing these in my previous room tour, and then some more plushes. And of course, we cannot forget the giant teddy bear that you guys see in my intros all the time. Next to my vanity is this drawer unit in which I store my craft supplies. This doesn't have like all of my craft supplies, but it mainly has the things that I use on the daily. The rest of my craft supplies are actually in my closet. At the top, I have my 1 million subscriber YouTube plate. I like to keep this here so that whenever I wake up in the morning, this is like the first thing that I get to see, and you guys have no idea how grateful I am. You all are just awesome, and I know I always say this, but I actually mean it. In this tray, I have some Sculpey products and acrylic paints. We have rainbows here, and then pastels at the back, some more plushes. Before I open up this first drawer, I just want to say that I know it's very messy and I should probably clean it up. This is my nightmare. I have been putting this off for months. I showed you this, I think, in one of my vlogs, and I still haven't cleaned it up. But yeah, it just has like all of my miniature things inside. In this drawer, I store all of my polymer clay. And then these are jewelry findings. So we have silver, gold, rose gold, and some more clay at the back. In this one, I have my fabric paints. This is the Tulip brand, and then scribbles. In this basket at the back, I keep like colorful thread. And then this, what do you call it? Plush eyes. These are plush eyes and some zippers. This one is my absolute favorite. I just store all of my glitters in here. So we just have a bunch of different kinds. We have this, some more at the back, chunky glitter. This one doesn't seem as organized, but it has my lip balm and candle making supplies. Beeswax, mini like containers for lip balm. I actually picked this up recently. These are like glass bottles. Some lipsticks for giving like the lip balm color. Here is like the supplies for candle making, candle wicks, paper cups, candle wax, crayons, and then over here, this is kind of random, but I have some Pearl-X powders and some more pigments. In the final drawer, I keep supplies that I've either recently bought or that I use a lot, but they don't fit in any category. We have like a lot of stuff here. Glitter glue, super glue, instant tack, silicone, sharpeners, googly eyes, notebooks. I have markers at the back, filler beads. What else do we have? Yarn, boxes, phone cases, popsicle sticks, little like pots. What is this? Twine. And we have finally made it to the last area of my room. This is my crafting table, basically the area where I make all of my DIYs. This is a jewelry stand. This was actually from my old room, and I keep my favorite charms here. This is actually a wooden crate that I got from Michael's. I painted it white and I store my acrylic paints in this. These are some cute mason jars that I made. If you want to watch the video, I will have a link for it down below. But in these, I just keep like paintbrushes and like polymer clay tools and just things like that. I also have some boring stuff here, like baby wipes, Q-tips, and some nail polish remover. In this drawer, I have more boring stuff, but these are actually like essentials for me. Chalk pastels, super glue, pliers, dotting tools, rolling pins, molds, little cutters, and metal wire. Again, more boring stuff. These are paintbrushes that I need to clean, clean paintbrushes, scissors, and just paintbrushes. We have finally made it to the last piece of furniture in my room. So I'm just gonna quickly go over this. I have these plushes that I got from the Disney store, some more decor, this unicorn book, this squishy that I made, candle, Funko Pop. Moving down, we have this planter that I got from CB2, another Instax mini, perfume, candle, Funko Pop, and a book. This is the same cat latte plush that I had in my previous room. And in the last shelf, I like to keep more practical stuff. Spray paints at the back. These are like varnishes and like chalkboard paint, things like that. And then Daiso clay. It is the nighttime now, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys what my room looks like with just all of the fairy lights on. So there is no other lighting, just the fairy lights that I have. And this is what the shelf looks like. And that is pretty much how my room looks like. If you would like to see the process of decorating this room or like an empty house tour, I did make vlogs on my second channel. So if you are interested, I will leave a link for it down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in my next one.